lanes, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearrange.
Hey y'all, so we just got here. We're about to go check in. My girl Tisha, my cousin Sierra. So we're gonna go check in and then we'll let you guys know once we get back. Or once we get to some of the restaurants and so you guys can see the food. Okay, so we're at Zocalo and I got a shredded chicken taco. So it's thick. Red sauce. That one was okay. Now we're gonna try to get us some drinks. So, what taco did you have?
I had the chicken, I guess taco, soft taco. It was okay.
How was it?
It was okay.
Which one you had, Sierra? You had a beef or chicken? Chicken. Yeah, we all had chicken.
Yeah, I'm still craving tacos.
Yeah. So on to the next. Figure out what that is, but the margaritas are good.
Yes, margarita, passion fruit.
Margaritas, Zocalo, passion fruit, they're good. Okay, y'all, we at where we at? Irish Pub, and I got a chicken taco with some jalapenos, tomatoes, lettuce. This is how it looks. This looks better than Zocalo's. So y'all guys, stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're having a good time in the ATL. See y'all at the next time. Listen, we have walked too far. Now we're heading back in the opposite direction. So hopefully,
Blame it on the
it was her alcohol. We left her in charge of the directions. But we're heading in our direction, the right direction, so we'll be there shortly. Okay guys, so we finally made it to Amici. It's A-M-I-C-I. It took us forever to get here. We are sweaty, we are tired, our high is gone from the alcohol. We just ordered some drinks and some mozzarella sticks, and then we'll go get our pizza in just a moment. So we'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I just did plain. It's not cute at all. Tisha got everything. It's good. Sierra got everything. Tisha says it is good. Thumbs up. Mozzarella sticks. Okay guys, so we're just leaving Amici's. Would not return. I'm not sure if it's that they weren't prepared, but they didn't have much staff. The food was okay. I had mozzarella sticks for Mexican. They were better than the Mexican pizza. So right now we are waiting on our Uber and heading to 10 Lizzy. So we'll see you guys in just a moment. So y'all, we're at 10 Lizzy's. Okay guys, so we just came out of 10 Lizzy's. We have some fried chicken tacos and we are gonna do the taste test. Tisha is already going in.
That's really good. That is really good. It is, right? You taste the cheese.
Yeah, and it's more
Taste the
too.
queso. That's really good.
The chicken is good and it's fried good. Yep. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the after party next. Sierra says it's okay. But it's pretty good to me. It tastes better than that first one at Zocalo's.
Right.
So we're gonna head over to
Cuckoo for the final part, and we will be back to you.
Okay, guys, we made it to the Cuckoo room. This is the after party. We're the only people here, so yeah. So I will see you guys when we get ready to end the video. Thank you so much for watching, staying to the end. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to Goodies with Tip. And I will see you guys in just a moment. So Tisha, she rolled through the store. Did it pass the test? Sierra stayed out here. I went in there. I hate to say it, I think it's called Publico, but it smells like vomit in there. And that is just not appetizing, something that I want to eat at all. So alright, so we're going to probably sit down and have a drink somewhere nice, or at least a little bit decent, and I will see you guys when we get there. We get at least back to the car because I am about to die with my battery. So I will see you guys in just a moment. Hey guys, so it has been a day. It's been so long. I'm so tired. We made it here to 10th and Piedmont just to grab some appetizers and some drinks. And I am going to show you guys my drinks and my food once we get done. So as you can see, I'm so tired, but I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Guys, so we just left 10th and Piedmont, and we enjoyed our food, but tacos and tequila, we enjoyed the ones at the Irish Pub. They were the best. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to Good Eats with Tip. You know what it is. Peace.